In this video, we will discuss about difference between laptop and notebook. Laptops are generally larger and heavier than notebook. Notebooks are smaller and lighter than laptops. The screen size of laptop is about 12 to 19 inches. The screen size of notebook is about 9 to 14 inches. The laptop has higher processing power. A notebook has lower processing power. Laptop has more USB ports. Notebook has fewer USB ports than laptop. Laptops have fans and other systems or cooling purpose. Notebooks generally do not have an effective cooling system. The laptop has a peripheral option. The notebook has no peripheral option. Laptops are generally more expensive than notebook. A notebook is less expensive than a laptop. The laptop has an optical drive or DVD drive option. A notebook has no optical drive or DVD drive option. Laptop hardware is stronger than notebook. Notebook hardware is simple. Laptop has a decent battery life, but it is less than of a notebook. Notebook in comparison has better battery life.